Hello. Now I am taking miscellaneous exercise of combinations and permutations. In this exercise, the questions are there. First of all, we have to understand whether the question based on combination or permutation or both. Okay, or mixed question. So that's a very specific and very important exercise. Taking miscellaneous exercise. Okay. Starting from question number one. How many words with or without meaning, each of two vowels and three consonants, can be formed from the letters of the word daughter? Word daughter. This is the word daughter. And the question is how many words with or without meaning, each of two vowels and three consonants? Two vowels and three consonants. Okay. Two vowels and three consonants. Two vowels and three consonants can be formed. Right. Two vowels and three consonants can be formed. So 2 plus 3, 5. We are going to make a word of 5 letters. Let us see how many vowels. How many vowels are there? A, U, E. A, U, E. Consonants. Consonants are remaining D, G, H, T, R. Okay. Question is how many words with or without meaning can be formed? With or without meaning can be formed. Okay. So here you can see combination and permutation both are using. First we have to select the vowels and consonant from the daughter, and after that we are going to arrange them. Okay. So selection of number of ways of selecting two vowels and three consonants from two vowels and three consonants from three vowels and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consonants. Okay. Is equal to is from three vowels selecting two, 3C2, and from five consonants selecting how many consonants? 3. Okay. So number of ways of selecting two vowels and three consonants is equal to factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 2 factorial 1 factorial 2 factorial 5 upon 5 minus 3 factorial 2 and factorial 3. 3 cancel. 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. 2 cancel. 2 2s are 5 to the 10, 30. 30. So that is 30. This is the selection only. But we are going to find out the word, arrange the word with or without meaning. Question. How many words with or without meaning can be formed? So total number of words can be formed. 30. So number of ways of selecting multiplied by, now we are going to arrange these 5 letters in how many ways? 5 different ways. So 30 multiplied by factorial 5. Okay. So 30, and what is the value of factorial 5? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, 120. 5 4 is 20, 23 is 62 is 120. 36 with 2 0. Okay, so 3600 ways. Total number of ways are 3600. Okay, so in this question, first of all the selection and after that arrangement. And now let us take question number 2. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation at a time so that the vowels and consonants occur together? So that the vowels and consonants occur together. Okay. Second question. The word is equation. The word is equation. And the condition is how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the words equation at a time. The vowels and consonants occur together. Vowels. A list of vowels: A, E, I, O, U. U, A, I, O. 4. Consonants: E is also E, U, A, I, O, all 5. And consonants: Q, T, and N. 1, 2, 3, 5 plus 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Right? So it's a simple way, vowels and consonants are together. So we have to put together. So that means this is the place for vowels. This is the place of consonants. Okay. They can change their place by 2 ways. Either the vowels can come first or the consonant can come first. Okay. Right. So group of vowels and consonants can change their places by 2 ways. That is one. Okay. And after that, these 5 vowels can be arranged by 5 ways, and 3 consonants can be arranged by 3 different ways. Okay. So that means now total words, total ways of forming word. Total ways of forming words is equal to factorial 5 multiplied by factorial 3 multiplied by factorial 3 multiplied by 2. So factorial 5 120, factorial 3 2 is 6 and 2. So 12 into 12 144 with 1 0. So these are the total number of ways 1440. First, the group can change their position by 2 ways. These vowels can be arranged by 5 different ways, and consonants can be arranged by 3 different ways. So factorial 5, factorial 3 and 2, all 3 will be multiplied. Okay. Okay, let us see next question number 3. Third is, a committee of 7 has to be formed from the 9 boys and 4 girls in how many ways? A committee of 7. Committee of 7 is to be formed. a committee of 7 is to be formed. Okay, 7 is to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. From 9 boys and 4 girls. 9 plus 4 total 13 boys and girls here, and committee is to be constituted by the 7 members. Okay. Condition is done when the committee consists of exactly 3 girls. First part, number of ways of consisting a committee in which exactly 3 girls is equal to exactly 3 girls. How many girls there? 4. 4C3 multiplied by, because a committee of 7 members, so 3 girls selected already. How many left? 4. And these 4 will be selected from boys. So 9C4. Factorial 4 upon factorial 4 minus 3 factorial 1 into factorial 3. Factorial 9 upon 9 minus 4 factorial 5 into factorial 4. 4 cancel. It is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into factorial 5 upon 3 into 2 into 1. And this is factorial 5. It is cancelled. 3 2 just 6 will cancel by this. 9 8 just 72. 72 multiplied by 7. 2 just 14, 1 7 49 50 504. Okay. So the committee will be constituted when exactly 3 girls are there. Total number of ways are 504. Second part. Second part of it, at least 3 girls. At least 3 girls. What is the meaning of at least? That means in this committee there are 7 persons. How many persons? 7. Minimum 3 girls must be there. So that means minimum 3 girls, 4 girls, 5 girls, because maximum 4 girls are there. So there are 2 different groups. Number 1, at least 3 girls. So first may I use the term as 4C3, 3 girls. Remaining boys, 9 boys are there, so 9C4. First case plus second case also possible, in which 4 girls can possible. So 4C4, when there are 4 girls in a committee of 7, how many left? 7 minus 4, 3. So these 3 will be selected from boys, 9C3. Is that okay? 4C3 multiplied by 9C4, already we have solved it. Now we are solving 4C4 into 9C3. So here I can write the result 504 plus 4C4. 4C4, that is factorial 4 upon factorial 4, cancel, it is 1 into 9C3. Factorial 9 upon factorial 9 minus 3, 6 into factorial 3. So 504 plus factorial 9 into 8 into 7 into factorial 6 upon factorial 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. Cancel. 2 4 ja, 3 3 ja, 4 3 ja 12, 7 ja 84. 504 plus 84. 8 and 5. The result is 588 ways. Is it okay? The result 588 ways, in which at least 3 girls. At least 3 girls, that means this is one event, or here you know why this plus sign is coming here, because as per the rule this or this both are possible. So when the or term is coming, then the events will be added. Therefore there is a plus sign. Third one, at most 3 girls. At most 3 girls. And at most means maximum 3 girls required. Maximum 3. So that means there's no girl, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first let us take no girl, because at most maximum 3 girls required. So we'll consider, suppose there's no girl in the committee. So may I use the term as 9C7, number 1, all boys are there. After that, there's a one girl, 4C1 into 9C6, 6 plus 1, 7. They are exactly one girl. There are two girls possible, 4C2 multiplied by 9C5. If there are two girls selected in a committee of 7, then how many boys will be needed to select here? 5. Plus 4C3 multiplied by 9C4, and one more because there are maximum 4 girls in it. So plus 4C4 multiplied by 9C3. Okay. So that is the condition. Now let us solve this. Factorial 9C7 factorial 9 upon 9 minus 7 2 and factorial 7 plus 4C1 factorial 4 upon 4 minus 1 3 factorial 1. So this is 3 factorial 4 upon 4 minus 3, 4 is answer, multiplied by 9C6 factorial 9 upon 9 minus 6 3 into factorial 6. 4C2 factorial 4 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. 9C5 factorial 9 upon factorial 9 minus 5 4 and factorial 5, and plus 4C3, that is again 4, 3 minus 1 4, into 9C4 factorial 9 upon factorial 5 into factorial 4. Okay, let's calculate. 9 into 8, 7 cancel, and 8 cancel by 2, 4 ja, 9 4 ja, 36, plus it is factorial 3, so 3 2 is 6. Let us solve. 4 into 9 into 8 into 7, 6 cancel, upon 3 into 2, plus 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 1 2 cancel, it is 6, multiplied by 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, 5 cancel, 4 into 3 into 2, and plus this is 4 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 and 5 cancel, factorial 4, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so 36 plus what is left here? 3 2 4 ja and 3 3 ja. Okay, so this is 7 4 ja, 4 3 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48, 48 multiplied by 7. 7 8 ja 56, 5 7 4 ja 28, 5 33, 336 plus it is 3 2 ja 6, cancel, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, so 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14 and 14 9 ja 126, 126 multiplied by 6. 126 multiplied by 6, 6 6 is 36, 3 6 2 is 12, 3 15, 1 6 1 7, 756 plus here what happens? This 4 is cancelled, 3 2 is 6 is cancelled, 9 8 ja 9 8 ja 72, 72 multiplied by 7, 72 multiplied by 7 to your 14, 49 504. Okay, and we are going to add them. 6 plus 6 12, 18, 18 4 22, 2 2 5 7, 7 3 10, 10 3 13, 1 third place, 6 7 13, 13 3 16, 16 32 ways. Okay, so these are the 3 parts of this question, and here I think you have got an idea of at least and at most. What is the meaning of at least? Minimum, and maximum can be whatever it is as per the condition. At most, maximum up to there, and minimum 0. One question is in the different permutations of all the letters of the word examinations are listed as in dictionary, how many words are there in the list before the first word starting with E? Before the first word starting with E. Okay, we'll understand the meaning of this first. The word is examination. This is the word examination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Question they are asking as per the dictionary way, the dictionary, how many words are there in this list before the first word starting with E? So before E, I think there's a one A. So this letter will start from A. So first place is occupied by A. It's okay. After that, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. Total 10 word, 10 letters. Okay. Total how many letters are there? Total there are 10 letters. So these 10 letters can be arranged by 10 different factorial 10 ways. It's okay. Now let us see how many of them they repeated. Okay. Because have you understood the meaning? As per the dictionary wise, we are going to arrange them, but before E, whatever the letter is coming, it starts from that. So before E, there's a single letter A. So first we'll have to write here A, and after that arrange according to the dictionary. So there are 10 places. These 10 places can be filled by factorial 10 ways. It's okay. So I'll write here remaining remaining 10 places can be filled by factorial 10 ways. Is that okay? Factorial 10 ways. But A, one A is fixed here. So there are two A. Second, there are two I. And any other, there are two A here, I and N. Yes, 2N. 2N. Okay. These three letters are repeated. But A, the position of A is fixed. So A is not treated as a repeated because one A is filled here, remaining A will come here. Okay. So you can leave it A. But N and I. But N and I repeated in the domain of 10 letters. Okay, it is in the domain of 10 letters. Therefore, total ways is equal to factorial 10 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. Okay, so the result is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 upon factorial 2 into factorial 2. So 1, 2 is cancelled and this 2 is cancelled by here. Okay. So the result is coming 2, 3 are 6, 6, 5 are 30. It is 30, 6, 5 are 30, 2, 3 are 6, 5 are 30. 7, 6 are 42. 9, 8 is 72, is then 720. Okay. So that means 42 3 are 1260 multiplied by 720. 1260, 720. 7 2 multiplied by 126. 6 2 is 12, 1 2 2 is 4, 1 5, 2 1 is 2. 7 6 is 42, 4 7 2 is 14, 4 18, 1 7 1 8. 2 7 10 9 0 7 2 with 2 0. Okay, so these are the ways by which we can arrange this word examination according to the dictionary order, but first letter starts from A. Is that okay? After that, taking question number 5, how many 6-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are divisible by 10 and no digit is repeated? How many 6-digit numbers can be formed? 6-digit numbers from 0, from 0, 1, 2, 3, from 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How many 6-digit numbers can be formed from the digit 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are divisible by 10 and not repeated? Are divisible by 10 and not repeated. And not repeated. So very simple. 10, how many 6 digits number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the number is divisible by 10, what does it mean? Its unit place must be 0. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th. So what does it mean? 6th place can be filled by 1 way. 6th place can be filled by 1 way, that is 0. Okay, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places are left and 5 digits are left. So same as the 5th place, this can be filled by 5 ways, and same as 4th place by 4 ways, 3rd place by 3 ways, like this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 2nd place by 2 ways and 1st place by 1 way, because repetition is not allowed. So therefore total number of ways is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 125. 4 is 20, 62 is 120. Clear? Okay. So once you understand the question, after that I don't think so any problem in it. Okay. Understanding is must. You can read. For understanding, you can read the question 2 times, 3 times until it is understood properly. Only then you will start to solve that question. Okay. So this is my suggestion to you. Next question is number 6th. English alphabet has 5 vowels, 21 consonants. How many words with 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants can be formed from the alphabets? Okay, this can be solved. We have solved this type of questions. Question number 7. In an examination, the question paper consists of 12 questions divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, containing 5 and 7 questions respectively. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. In how many ways can a student select the question? Okay, 7th, let us see question number 7, which says, in an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, 5 and 7. 12 questions part 1, part 2, 5 and 12. Just, oh, sorry, 5 and 7. Or 7 and 5, let us see. Part 1 and part 2 consisting 5 and 7 questions respectively. Part 1, 5, part 2, 7. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all. 8 questions in all. Okay. Right. 8 questions are selecting at least 3 from each part. How many ways? Selecting at least 3 from each part. Okay. There are total 12 questions. Total 12 questions, and a student is required to attempt 8 questions. Okay. Eight questions. And the condition is at least 3 from each parts. This is a very important condition. Okay. So total number of ways if he selects at least 3 from each part. 3 from each part. Okay. So first, from the first I was selecting 3. So what does it mean? 5C3 multiplied by remaining out of 8 questions, 5 selected from the first part, 3 questions. Now he has to select 5 questions from second part. So 7C5. Condition fulfilled. At least 3 from first, at least 3 from second. 5 plus 3 total 8. Okay. Plus 5C4 selecting 4 from first part and 7C4. At least 3 from each. Condition select, it's okay. 5C4, 7C4, 4 plus 4 total 8 questions. 4 selected from 5 first part and 4 selected from second part. Plus one more condition, see whether it is possible. 5C3, 5C4, 5C5. He has selected 5 questions from part 1 and C3, 7. And 7 is selected, 7 means 3 questions is selected from, 3 questions is selected from second part. In second part, how many questions? There are 7 questions. Okay. Any other condition is possible? Suppose when I use the term as 5C5, not 5C6 cannot be possible. 5C2 cannot be possible. So there are 3 possible conditions. Okay. These are total number of ways. 5C3, 7C5, 5C4, 5C5. Okay. Alright. 7C5, 7C4, 7C3. So we'll solve this term. 5C3 factorial 5 upon 5 minus 3 factorial 2 into factorial 3 into factorial 7 upon 7 minus 5 2 factorial 5 plus factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 4 factorial 1 factorial 4 factorial 7 upon 7 minus 4 factorial 3 factorial 4 and plus 5C5, that is 1 into 7C3 factorial 7 upon factorial 4 and factorial 3. Clear? Now let us start to solve it. Factorial 5 will cancel. Here it is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3 upon factorial 3 into 2 into 2. Because factorial 2 are 2 the same thing. This is factorial 5, 5 into factorial 4 upon factorial 4 into factorial 1, that is 1. Factorial 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into factorial 3 upon factorial 3, sorry, this is not required, factorial 4 factorial 3 into factorial 4 and plus 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial 4 upon factorial 4 into factorial 3. So let us see this factorial 3 cancel here. 2 2s are 4 cancel. 6 5 are 30, 37 7 3 are 21, 210 plus. What is here? Factorial 4 cancel. This is factorial 4 cancel. Factorial 3, 3 2s are 6 will be cancelled. So 7 5 5 are 25 and 25 7s are 175 plus. Coming to the last one, factorial 4 cancel, 3 2s are 6, 7 5s are 35. Okay, so total 5 5 10, 1 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 1 12, 1 2 3 4 420 ways. Okay, so these numbers will be selected by total 420 ways. You can check your calculation also, and after that you can confirm from the answer sheet answers. Question number 8. Determine the number of 5 cards combination out of the deck of 52 cards. Each selection of 5 cards has exactly 1 king. I hope you will solve this question. Number of 5 cards combination out of 52 cards. Each selection of 5 cards has exactly 1 king. So 4c1 multiplied by 48c4. Simple. 4c1 ace is selected by 4c1 multiplied by the remaining cards 48, 48c 4, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so that is done by you. Next question number 9 I am taking. It is required to seat 5 men and 4 women in a row so that the women occupy the even places. How many such arrangements are possible? Ninth question. It's an interesting question. Ninth. It is required to seat 5 men and 4 women in a row. 5 men and 4 women. 5 men and 4 women in a row. Okay, in a row. Total 9 places. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Total 9 places are there. Okay, so that the women occupy the even places. How many such arrangements are possible? Women occupy the even places. Even places are 1, 4 places are even places. Am I right? And the remaining 5 places are odd places. So these 4 places are occupied by women, right? There are 4 women occupied 4 places, right? 4 women can occupy 4 places by factorial 4 ways. Is it okay? By factorial 4 ways. And 5 men occupy 5 places by factorial 5 ways. Okay, so that means the total ways factorial 4 into factorial 5. Simple. It's okay. because it is clearly mentioned that 5 men and 4 places, and there are total 9 places. So how many such arrangements are possible? So factorial 4 into factorial 5. Factorial 5, that is 120. Factorial 4, 4 to 12. 12 to 24. Okay. 0, 12 4 ja 48. 4, 12 to 24. And 28. Okay. 24 to 48. 4, 24 1 24. 28. Is that okay? So this is question number 9. And now coming to question number 10. From a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen at an exertion party. There are 3 students who decide that either all of them will join or none of them will join. In how many ways can the excursion party be chosen? One condition, if the 3 of them join or they will not join. Okay. So in one case, what should be done? From a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen at an excursion party. There are 3 students who decide that either all of them join or none of them will join. So suppose none of them will join, what does it mean? It is 22C7, and all of them will join, what does it mean? It is 25C10. So we are adding them. It's okay. That is the condition. You can do it. In how many ways can a letter of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S are together? In how many ways can the letter of the word assassination okay, in how many ways can the letter of the word assassination can be arranged so that all the S are together? So that all the S are together. Okay. In how many ways can it be arranged? Total 4 S coming together. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are S's. Okay. They are coming together. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So the 1 and remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's okay. So what does it mean now? This can be treated as a one letter. This is treated as a, because they are coming together. This is treated as a 1. After that 1, after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of ways arranging 10 ways. It's okay. S cannot be replaced their places because all are the similar. If this S is coming here, it is coming here, it makes no difference. Okay. So factorial 4 will not be divided here. Now let us see the other. So we'll write here, that means the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 letters are there. 13 letters are there. This is treated as 1 and here are total 9. Okay. So now there are total 9 plus 1, 10 places. Okay. And in these 10 places will be filled by factorial 10 ways. So remaining 10 places can be filled by factorial 10 ways. Okay. But some of them, A repeats 3 times. A repeats 1, 2, 3 times. Any other? N 2 times and any other? I, and I repeats 2 times. Okay, right? Since all S are coming together, since all S's are coming together, okay, therefore number of ways, total number of ways is equal to, it is 10 ways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ways. Factorial 10 upon repetition is A 3 times, N 2 times, and I 2 times. S repetition is not allowed here, not required here, but they cannot change their places because they are coming together. So it is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Okay, 3 cancel, 2 into 2. So this 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It is coming 2, right? So the final result is 5 4 5 ja 20, 26 ja 120, 127 ja 840, 840 multiplied by 9 2 ja 18, 180. Okay, so 840 multiplied by 180. That's 8 4 ja 8 8 4 ja 32, 3, 8 8 ja 64, 367. It is 4, it is 8, 2 1 14 115 and 20 151200, 151200. Okay, 15 1,51,200. These 2 0 here. 8 4 ja 32, 3 8 8 ja 64, 3 6 8 4 ja 32, 3 8 8 ja 64, 64 plus 3 67, 1 4 ja 4, 1 8 ja 8, it is 2 7 4 11, 14 115. 1,51,200 is correct answer. It's okay, got it? So that's all. This is the miscellaneous exercise. I hope you have understood it. Okay, try to solve each and every question. Try to solve the different questions related to combination and permutations. Okay, first you understand that the question is from the combination only, or it is from the permutation, or it is the combined. Okay, combined, how will you understand it? First selection and after that arrangement is called the combination of it. So first you understand it and then start solving it. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.